Upgrade your home with the Aqara Smart Wall Switch with neutral. Enjoy smart lighting control, voice commands, and seamless automations, all from a sleek, modern switch. What's in the box? Inside the box, you will find the Aqara Smart Wall Switch Neutral, mounting screws, user manual, product overview, installation. Switch off the circuit breaker and make sure the power is completely off before starting. Unscrew the old wall switch and carefully pull it out to access the wiring. Connect the live, neutral, and load wires as shown. For the double rocker model, connect the second load wire to L2. Secure the switch in the wall back box using the supplied screws, then attach the faceplate. Turn the circuit breaker back on and verify that both rocker buttons operate correctly. How to pair. Download and install the Aqara app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. On the Add Device Accessory page, select your smart wall switch and follow the on-screen instructions. Press and hold the switch button for about 8 seconds until the LED indicator flashes. If the connection fails, please move the hub closer to the switch. Wait for the app to detect the switch, then assign it to a room and give it a name. App functions. Remote control. Smart automations. Schedules and timers. Scene control. Smart features. Delivers fast, stable, and energy-efficient communication for reliable smart home performance. Works with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and other compatible voice assistants for hands-free control. Configure the buttons to trigger automations and smart scenes without directly controlling the connected load. Remembers or restores the preferred switch state after a power outage, based on your selected settings. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.